Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about updating your license file. Um, some of the problems that you can run into when doing that and just how to do it. The process is the same for the fleet and the car system, so I'll be showing you how to do it in the fleet system. If you have the car system, you can pretty much assume that you're going to need to do exactly the same things. Now if your email is only on your personal computer or a computer out in the office at the shop, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up our email address here. I'm using Outlook. Every email address is different, and some of them have different problems you might run into during the process, and I'll describe those later. But for me, we're going to go ahead and open up this email. This is what your email for your annual license is going to look like. You'll need to do this every year. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and right-click on this license file attachment. Go down and I'm going to save as. I'm going to go ahead and save that to the USB stick that I have in my computer right now. So we'll go ahead into our File Explorer and navigate down to that USB and go ahead and save it there. You'll bring that USB over to your Infinity system, open up your File Explorer, and then you'll open up that USB, find that Infinity company license. You can copy that, just right click and copy. Then you can go down into your shop folder, go into your config. I've already got that file in there, but obviously if I didn't, I just paste it. I'll just go ahead and replace it just for example's sake. And open up my Infinity fleet system or car system. If you have the car system, it doesn't make any difference. Now I don't have any license file here, so it's going to ask me to update my license file because my license is expired. And I'm going to go ahead and select that Infinity company license. Once I've done that, I can go ahead and hit continue, and then I'll need to restart for that to take effect. If you have some time left on your license but would just like to update it, maybe you have a couple days left but you'd rather get it out of the way, you can go to help, go to license, click on that, then hit that update license file button, and then it'll open that config folder and you can just select that Infinity company license or whatever license name we've given your shop. Alright, then we can go ahead and close out of that, and we're good. Now, if you do have your email set up on your Infinity system and you'd rather just update the license directly there instead of moving it over with the USB stick, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. What you can do is just do exactly the same thing. Go into your email, open up that email, right-click, save as, and I'm going to save that as Infinity license again. And I'll have my Infinity company license here. I'm just going to save it to the desktop because it'll be easiest for me to find. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now that I've downloaded that from my email, I can exit out of it. There's my license file there. Now what I'm going to do is open File Explorer, and I'm going to go down to my C drive. And in my C drive I have a shop folder. I'm going to go into the config folder in that shop folder and just drag my license over there. Now that that license is in there, I can go ahead and close out of the File Explorer. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up my Infinity fleet system. And you just do the same thing. Open up your Infinity system. And then go to your license. Update license file. Select that license. And hit continue. Now one of the biggest problems we run into is with certain email addresses. When you download the attachment, you won't actually be downloading the attachment, you'll be downloading a link to the attachment. If you get that situation, all you're going to need to do is click on that link and then go to the website that it brings you to, complete that download, and then go through the exact same process again. So you'll download that link, put it on your desktop, drag it into that shop folder, into that config folder, and then open up your system and update your license file. And that's really all there is to it. Those are the main problems that we run into. I hope this helped you figure out how to update your license file. Thank you.